In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lead in HoneyBook, Manual Entry 2026. We'll walk through the exact clicks and fields you need, keeping it simple and clear so you can get a new lead into your system in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to honeybook.com. This works on both desktop and mobile, but the desktop layout gives you the most space to work with. Sign in to your HoneyBook account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for security verification, complete it to continue. These prompts can include a code or a quick identity check, and they're there to protect your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Think of this as your home base. It gives you a snapshot of your projects, tasks, and upcoming items. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. This sidebar is where you'll move between projects, calendar, tools, and for today, leads. Click Leads, then choose the Leads pipeline. The pipeline shows your lead stages in a clean, visual layout, so you can easily see where every potential client stands. This is the right place to create and track new opportunities. Now click Create Lead. A form will open with a few key fields. Start with lead name. This is required, so make it descriptive enough to recognize at a glance, like the client's name and the service they're interested in. In contacts, use the search to attach the person or company connected to this lead. Linking the correct contact now helps keep emails, files, and notes organized in one place. Next, select the service type. This field is required and pulls from your predefined list. If you manage your offerings in company settings, you'll see them here. Choose the option that best matches what the lead is requesting. Set the time zone to match either your business or the client's, depending on how you schedule calls and deliverables. Getting this right helps avoid confusion when sending proposals or booking meetings. If you already know the start date and start time for the engagement or initial call, add them now. If not, you can leave these fields blank and fill them in once the details are confirmed. These dates are useful for planning and keeping your pipeline timeline accurate. When everything looks good, click Create Lead. You'll return to the pipeline with your new lead added. From here, you can move it through stages as progress is made and keep details updated so your team stays aligned. That's it. You've manually created a lead in HoneyBook quickly and confidently.